while it's on.
I was very excited because it looks nice, it looks beautiful, it looks like what I wanted and what I was expecting. But
Hey guys, I'm so happy because I got my package from Amazon. Yay! Let's go into this package and see what we're having here. Okay, it just came now, just arrived. I wanted to open it. I said, let me come and open it in front of you guys. Here it is. This is the twin needle.
An in-depth video on this twin needle is going to be up tomorrow. I decided to make two different videos. That way we can concentrate on each item. If you're interested in the ring light video, this is for the ring light. And if you want to know more about the twin needle, if you're into sewing, the video is going to be uploaded tomorrow. That way you can know more about the twin needle.
One is my ring light. Do I have a ring light already? Yes. Did I buy another one? Yes, I did. I bought another one. Why did I buy another one? I bought this ring light because I already have my set area. I'm going to be opening it and I'll be explaining to you guys why I got this ring light. Okay, I already have my filming area. I have my two softbox lights and my ring light and my table and my chair, and where I sit down to film. I just set up that area. That way, even when I'm tired, I can sit down and start filming. Like, no need to stress myself in going to set up everything, because before you do your makeup, before you do your hair, before you set up your lightings, before you set up your camera, sometimes 2 hours passes and then you're already tired and you don't feel like filming. And there are days that, what's happening here? Hold on please. Okay, and there are days that sometimes when you're tired, you think about everything that you're going to do. It just makes you to be even more tired and makes you not to feel like filming. To make myself to always be ready or always film videos even when I'm tired, I had to set up my filming area so that I just have to go there, sit down, turn on the lighting, turn on the camera, and then start filming. So when I started working on creating my product, creating my brands, I had to always shift everything to be able to take my ring light and move it around when I'm filming, and then taking it back is kind of stressful for me. So I want my filming area to remain there. I don't want to be shifting anything again, but I needed a separate ring light that I can be using to film like behind the scenes of my productions, like taking of pictures, like cutting of fabrics, like sewing of fabrics. So I had to get this ring light. This is a small ring light. It is 10.2 inches, so it's foldable. It's 10.2 inches. So I got this ring light so that it's easy for me to take away and put behind and bring it out. That way my filming area is still there, and I can also do something like behind the scenes of my production. And when I have to film, I just have to go to my filming area and sit down there, and I'm ready to make my videos. That's why I got this ring light. Let me open everything and I'll be back. Oh, I'm so happy. I'll be back. Then I'll also show you guys, like, is this ring light worth it? Is it not worth it? Let's see. I'll be back soon. Now, these are the things that came with the ring light. I'm having my remote button, my remote control. I'm having the bag where you put everything inside. I'm having the tripod stand. I'm having the ring light. I'm having the something where you put in your phone. Now let me go into setting it and I'll be back again. So this came with 5 accessories. Okay, this is my ring light, and this is the tripod. Like, this tripod is so cute, so beautiful, and very, very stiff. I wasn't expecting this kind of tripod from this ring light, because I paid 22 euros for this. It was on sale though, but I'll leave the price on the screen. I paid, let's say, 20 euros for this, and this is the bag you use in wrapping it when you're done with it. As you can see, it has the USB charger. So the reason why, one of the reason why I got this ring light is also in case I want to go outside to make videos or take pictures. It's easy to carry along with me, and also I can just use like a power bank to turn this on, and I can use the light outside, whereas my other ring light has a normal plug, so you cannot use it when you're outside. That's another reason. I'm going to be connecting this to my phone's charger and turn it on to see how bright this light is. It is connected, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. Where do you want it to? Oh, I like this light. I don't know if you can feel it from my voice, but I like this light. Wow, like I wasn't expecting this much of light from this small ring light. It's nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, you can control the lighting. Let's see, you can increase it or reduce it. Okay, this is the maximum. Let me try to reduce it. Okay, wow, and let me increase it now. Wow, okay, and now I think you can change the color. Let's see, okay, this is the yellow color. I don't know if you can see because the camera is not taking it, but this is the three colors. Okay, this is the blue or the white, this is the yellow, and this is kind of yellow, between yellow and white. I think I prefer the white. Yes, this is my ring light. I'm going to go ahead and insert this and this, and I'll be back. Yes, I already insert this, and it's so beautiful, can you see the potential of the light? It's all making the background to be dark. Let me try to increase it. Okay, do I like this light? Yes, I love this light. The other side is where I filmed my videos. I don't know if you can see like the clothing rag and the clothes that I'm having there, because I'm going to be filming try on all, no, not try on all, like styling video from my other YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below if you want to go subscribe to that channel, because there we talk about fashion, beauty, DIYs, tutorials, many more. While here it's about being boss, how to make money from home, entrepreneurship, and more. Okay, this is all I'm going to say about this ring light. Okay, let me see if you can also bend it while it's on. Oh this is beautiful. I'm so satisfied with the amount of money that I spent on this ring light. It's very affordable. For 22 euros, it's like going to get yourself a maxi pizza and a bottle of Coca-Cola. But this time around, this is something that you're using to make money, not eating lots of carbs, but make you increase in size. That's just to give you an example of how affordable this is. And we still have the bag, the carrier. So I'm going to be taking this outside during the hot weather and even during the winter season when I need to go do like my photo shoot outside, because this year we're making money in terms of photography, production, and so many other things. This is where I'm going to be ending this video. I hope you like my ring light, and the tripod is so stiff. It's you can increase it in length. Anyways, I'll show you guys more about this ring light in the future. This is where I'm going to be ending this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. Thank you for watching, and as I always say, have a beautiful day. Ciao.
There are some things that I would like to share with you guys about this ring light. Like, I'm going to dedicate a separate video going into details about everything about this ring light. This is just a first impression video, also an unboxing video. And it's normal that I was very excited when it arrived, and seeing it I was very excited because it looks nice It looks beautiful. It looks like what I wanted and what I was expecting. But there are some cons and pros about this ring light, and I'm going to go into details, like I said before, in explaining everything from the good to the bad and from the bad to the good. That way, before you go and purchase this, you are very sure of what you will be expecting, and it doesn't look as if I made you to go get something that is not actually how you thought it's going to be.